Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are doing well and today we are going to start a new grammar chapter, alright, which you have already studied in your previous class, right, about countable nouns and non-countable nouns, or you can say count and uncount nouns, right? So we have already studied about nouns, that what is nouns, right? Now we'll see one more topic which is about countable and non-countable nouns. Now here you can see this chapter is given in your workbook, right, in your English workbook. So we'll read this first. Okay, what is given over here? So first point, okay, some nouns name things that can be counted, so they are known as countable or count nouns. All right, so here they are saying that there are some nouns, okay, there are some noun names, or you can say there are some things which you can count. All right, so those types of nouns are known as the countable nouns, or you can say the count nouns. All right, so we can always put the a and an, or you can always put the number before those counts. All right, now we'll see the example which is given over here. Okay, see, six apples, then an eagle, then three plates, a few bottles, many buildings. So one of the example is given over here in the picture, right? There are lots of buildings, right? It's more than like I think it's more than four five, right? So you can say many buildings, right? So the countable nouns always comes in a plural form, okay, and it can come in singular. For example, an eagle, right? So an eagle, they have mentioned over here an, because e is a vowel, right? So we, whenever we are getting a word, we will put the an before that particular word, right? So these are the countable nouns. All right, now we will see when do we find the countable nouns. So generally common nouns and collective nouns are said to be the countable nouns. We have already studied about the kinds of nouns, right, in our one of the previous chapter. All right, so generally common nouns and collective nouns are the countable nouns. All right, now we will see the next one, which is given about some nouns name things that cannot be counted. They are known as uncountable or non-count nouns, right? So this is very simple, that they are saying there are some nouns, right, which we cannot count, right? And those types of nouns, you can say those types of noun names things are called the uncountable or non-count nouns, right? So we'll see here one example. For example, a little milk. So milk you cannot count, right? One milk, two milk. If you have one glass of water, then you cannot say one milk, two milk, right? A little milk, okay. Then some money, you cannot say one money, two money, three money. No, we can't put that many money, right? We can say some money, right? Some amount of money, a huge amount of money, right? A few amount of money. All right, then we have next one, enough food, okay. So if you have some food in front of you, we cannot even count some food, right? That one food, two food, three food, or many food, a lot food, we can say enough food, okay. Then we have lots of furniture. So here you can see the example which is given over here. All right, there are lots of furniture, right? So we cannot say that one furniture, two furniture, three furniture, right? We will say lots of furniture. Then we can say plenty of air. Now even you cannot count the air, okay. We cannot say one air, two air, or three air, right? We can say a plenty of air. So this is about uncountable nouns, right, which you cannot count. All right, you can say the non count nouns. Now, generally, proper noun, abstract noun, and material nouns are uncountable nouns. So, generally, this is the basic thing, that generally the proper nouns, abstract nouns, and material nouns are the uncountable nouns. So, we have already studied about proper nouns, abstract noun, and material nouns, right? So, this is about our chapter, which is counts and uncounts nouns, right? I hope you understood this very well about counts and uncounts nouns. Now, a downside one exercise is given. All right, so in that exercise one table is given, which is given in a puzzle, okay. All the words are given mixed, okay. So you to find out the count and uncount nouns, okay. You to circle them, and you to write even the differentiate, you have to make them parts about count and uncount nouns, okay. So we'll I'll explain you what you have to do and how you have to do, and that you have to write in your workbook. All right, students, so this is about our chapter now, count and non-count now. So here there is one more thing which I forgot to tell you, that In uncountable nouns, we cannot use a and an. Okay, we have to use words like a little, much, more, enough. Okay, we have to use specific words, okay, for specific that nouns or for specific that thing. Okay, and it doesn't have any plural form also. Okay, like you cannot write one milk or two milks, or you cannot write one money, two monies. Okay, because money doesn't have any plural form. Okay, so here in uncountable nouns you have to remember this thing, okay, that we cannot use a or an and it doesn't have any plural form, but the countable and count nouns have a plural form. All right, we can use a and an before that some noun. Okay, before that countable noun. Now we will see the exercise. Okay, so here, see, this exercise is given. Now you have to answer, means you have to circle the nouns, okay, countable and non-countable nouns, and you have to write in the appropriate column. Means you have to write in this table, okay, in your workbook. So I have already done from in this puzzle, okay, from this box, okay, from this grid, okay. This you have to search on your own. Do not just write from this book, or you can say do not write this from the video. Okay, you try to search the all the countable and non-countable nouns on your own, and then you can write there here in the right hand side of your box, or you can say of the column which is given over here. Okay, so we'll see the list of countable nouns like fleet, tusk, swarm, cheetah, army, gang, pen, bag, man, and vest. Right, these all are the countable nouns, you can count them, right? And which will see the uncountable nouns, right, which we cannot count, right? Mumbai, like it's a name of the city, we cannot say one Mumbai, two Mumbai, right? It's a one kind of proper noun, right? So as we already studied in the during the explanation, right, generally the uncountable nouns are comes in a proper and abstract, and one more noun was there, a proper, abstract, and material noun, right? So Mumbai is a proper noun, it's the name of a particular city, right? So we cannot say the one like one Mumbai, two Mumbai, right? So it's a uncountable noun. In the same way, we have many more nouns like which are uncountable, like love, right? Then silk, okay, so it's kind of one kind of material, okay. Then milk, cotton, anger, floor, justice, India, Jupiter, Taj Mahal, right? So these all are the uncountable nouns. Alright, so this you have to write today in your workbook, and you have to show me. This is your today's homework, students. So I hope you understood very well about the countable nouns and uncountable nouns, right? So this is about our today's videos that you have to study, okay, and you have to write this in your workbook, in your grammar workbook, and you have to show me. So students, as of now, please complete the work which is given by me and all other teachers, right? So we'll see in the next video about the next chapter. Thank you, students.